Today is Sunday and I am preparing for our Sunday brunch. First, I need to cook the rice. Here are the ingredients for our Sunday brunch. This pork longganisa, and then eggplant, okra, and then the eggs. So I'm using this pasture-raised organic eggs from Vital Farms. I need 3. Let's harvest some calamansi for our dipping sauce. We have calamansi that are ready. Harvested like 5. Let's prepare the dipping sauce with the calamansi that I harvested from the garden. And then soy sauce. I like margarita. I always say it. We are eating here in the kitchen island, so I'll just like push this dipping sauce here. Eggplant, I just need to fry this, so let's cut it into this size. There you go. Okra on the boiling water. Rice is ready. I need to put more oil here. So we have the longganisa cooking here on low fire, and then the eggplant here, and then the okra. This is what I do to cook the top. We need to replace our beans since we don't like it that much. We have and then while the coffee is brewing, let's pick some flowers. Let's see if we could eat here later. Beautiful rose. Oh, there's a butterfly. I'm not sure if I'm going to use some roses or some flowers in the probably some cosmos. think I like the cosmos. It's gorgeous. Let's pick this like cosmos. Wow, look at all these bees on our Peruvian apple. I think this is called Peruvian apple. A lot of bees. And here are the beautiful flowers from the garden. Oh, coffee is ready. Let's put them here on the vase. They have like very short stalks, so they look like that. Nevertheless, they're gorgeous. So the coffee.
We have our Filipino brunch. Here we have obviously coffee. This is my milk, some flowers, some rice, Filipino eggplant, soy sauce on both sides, okra, longganisa, and lastly, sunny side egg for our Sunday Filipino brunch.
Yes. Let's eat. And here's my plate.
Okay.
Yes, only you guys, because tomorrow I'm going to be off, but there is trunk or treat. Are you excited for your trunk or treat? Josh is going to be
Halo.
Halo, yes.
The game.
I have a 4-day weekend. Friday I had to do jury duty, and then weekend, and then tomorrow I'm going to be off.
Excellent!
The next song is Willie and Tilly. Third and very lastly, Indian song.
Good job.
Excellent.
Oh wow, Josh, what are you doing? Are you Daddy's Junior?
Yes, I am relaxing.
You're relaxing? What are you watching?
I'm watching Minecraft.
Minecraft? Oh, this is husband's office, and there's like a TV here. Oops. Okay. Have fun! Have fun, Josh. See you later.
See you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. If you made this far in the video, please subscribe. It's just down there. It will help us a lot.
new. Thank you so much for watching. Where did you hear that? It will help us a lot.
So basically, I just got an idea from the millionaire subscriber YouTubers.
Okay.